Hey there, in today's video, we are diving into a super handy trick for all your online shopping, tracking the price history of products on Flipkart, Amazon, and more. Whether you are hunting for the best deals or waiting for prices to drop, this will save your time and money. And guess what? Flipkart's Big Billion Days and Amazon's Great Indian Festival Sale are just around the corner. So, let's make sure you're ready to grab the best deals. So, let's get started. There are a few amazing tools out there that let you check the price history of your favorite products. Websites like Price History help you compare prices and see their trends over time. These are great for tracking sales and grabbing discounts during major events like the Big Billion Days and Great Indian Festival. First, go to the product page on Flipkart or Amazon. Once you are on the page, copy the URL of the product. Now, head over to the price tracker website. Paste the URL in the search bar and hit enter. Here, you'll be able to see how the price has changed over time. You'll notice that prices often drop significantly during big sales, making it the perfect time to buy your favorite items at a discount. In this website you can see the highest price, lowest price and average price of the product. Website also suggests you to whether this is the correct time to buy the product or you should wait. So, now you are all set. Be smart with your shopping and use these tools to track the price history, ensuring you don't miss out on the best deals during these mega sales. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your shopping, and see you in the next video.